Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing great. Myself Dr. Surbhi Sani. Today I come forward with another solution to your query. If you are new on my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. The importance of bell icon is that you can have the notification of my upcoming videos. Now back to the topic. If you are preparing for the first time and that too for the NEET MDS examination, then this video is definitely for you. Most important video to understand the strategy of the paper of NEET MDS and the subject division according to the parts of the paper of NEET MDS. Yes. In NEET MDS examination, there is two parts. One is part A, second one is part B, right? So there are certain subjects which come under the category of part A paper and certain dental subjects which come under the category of part B paper. Usually part A is found to be the tough part as compared to the part B paper of NEET MDS, right? So by seeing all the last year trends and the pattern of the paper, we have classified the subjects into part A and part B of NEET MDS examination or the NEET MDS paper. So it's my request that you can take pen and paper and at least write the subject name which come under the category of part A of NEET MDS paper, and that too consider as a tough subject or a tough part. Right, so this will give you an idea that from which subject the toughest question can come as a question in the part A of NEET MDS paper. Right, so the first subject is the physiology and biochemistry, general anatomy including the histology and embryology, dental anatomy and oral histology and embryology, microbiology and general pathology, the two subjects which you read in second year of dentistry, followed by the dental and the general pharmacology, general surgery and general medicine. These are all the medical related subjects which come under the category of part A and considered to be the toughest part of the paper of NEET MDS usually, and from a longer period of time we found that the part A is found to be a tough one as compared to that of the part B. Now if we come to the part B part of NEET MDS paper, usually it includes the dental subjects. That is the oral microbiology and oral pathology, dental materials, oral medicine and oral radiology, pedodontics and preventive dentistry, dentofacial and orthodontics and orthopedics, periodontology, public health dentistry, endodontics and conservative dentistry, followed by the oral surgery and the prosthodontics. So part B is all about the dental subjects. That's why it is considered to be the familiar or the easy or even the familiar part of NEET MDS paper. This you will get an idea that from which subject you will get the toughest question as a part A question of NEET MDS paper, and from the dental subjects you will get the part B related questions, right? If you want the last 10 years papers with solution regarding the NEET MDS, you can have it on your WhatsApp in the form of PDF. For that you can follow me on my Instagram and don't forget to DM me there and ask for the PDF of NEET MDS last 10 years paper with solution, right? Regarding the NEET MDS 2023 PDF, definitely it will be released soon with the answers, right? If you have any query, you can follow me on my Instagram, DM me there your questions and it will be solved. Or you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. Thank you for watching.